Okay, today we have here this Motorola Moto G06, which we're going to unlock because it has this screen lock. We're going to use one of the easiest and fastest ways, which is to get to the home screen. To do this, we're going to pay close attention to this video tutorial to be able to solve this screen lock. It doesn't let us access anything, nor does it let us turn off our phone. And it doesn't let us turn it off. If that's your case, well, don't worry, because in this video tutorial, we'll be doing everything step by step so that you can also do it and recover it in one of the easiest and fastest ways. Okay, with all that said, let's press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. Keep holding them. Tap the screen until your phone restarts. When it restarts, release both buttons, then hold them down again. We'll enter this secret menu. Use the volume down button to select the option that says Recovery Mode. Press the power button to select it. This will take us to this hidden mode where you see the Android logo. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Then the volume up button, then another 3 seconds. Release the volume up button and then the volume down button. Now scroll down and select the option that says W Data Factory Reset. Select it, scroll down, and select Factory Data Reset. Then, scroll down again. On this first option. Right here, on the first option, press the power button to restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, I'll explain the easiest way to get back to the home screen. Pay close attention. In this video tutorial, when we get to the start screen, the first thing we need to do is remove any SIM cards we have on our phone so we can complete this setup as quickly as possible. Let's wait until it takes us directly there. Okay, our phone has completely restarted. What we're going to do now is remove any SIM cards we have on our device and complete this setup as quickly as possible. We'll tap Skip, select it, and here we'll see an option to skip. Tap Skip, then Continue Offline, then Accept and Continue, then Next, Next, Accept. And now tap Skip. This takes us to this section. Tap Skip again, then Next, 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 and finally Finish. Now it should take us directly to the start screen.